little bit of crosswind.
Clear check 1029, number 2, phone Seminole right base, runway 12 right, good land.
12 right, clear to land, number 2, clear check 1029.
All right, so we're just heading out to the
Gateway
east.
Tower, helicopter 154, Romeo Papa coming from Falcon. Information, India, like to get to the Charlie taxi. We do some work.
Helicopter 154, Romeo Papa, Gateway Tower, make straight in, taxiway Charlie.
Straight in, taxiway Charlie, 154, Romeo Papa, thanks.
All right, yeah, so you can feel it's a little bit bumpy.
Okay.
Feel a little bit of bumps.
It's pretty good outside.
Yeah. You see how sensitive it is, eh?
Yeah.
Clear check 1029, to right.
Okay, we're going to climb now, so I'm just going to add full power.
Okay.
And just pull the nose up just a little bit. Bring the nose up a little bit like this. There you go. Now just kind of hold the nose right there.
All right.
That's good. Bring the nose up a little bit again. Look outside and just make the horizon stay right in that position on your canopy.
All right.
Duke and JR are entering the area.
We still have the snow over there.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. Oh, flying the airplane.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, Duke, your control.
Okay, I have control.
Thank you.
Gonna climb up a little more. Yeah, very sensitive. Now I'm just going to show you a little roll.
Okay, that's your control, right?
Yeah, my controls.
Okay.
Yeah. So here we go. We're just going to go like this.
Ooh, nice.
Going to do a little bit of a turn here.